Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb. And now we are recording. I know, I sing, whatever. Anyways, welcome to another video, and I am mad because this is, first of all, take 3. And second of all, I already watched all my old videos. Anyways, we're reacting to my old videos, blah blah blah, without further ado. Here we go. Dabbing on the haters. What is up with this webcam? I need to find a better place for this. Oh, this is showing me some vlogs.
Guys are hitting that like button. Subscribe. Just make sure.
Sorry. Alright, so that was show me some love. We're gonna do Quentin's family. I think those were my first videos.
Someone said make better videos.
What?
Someone said make better
Pause.
videos.
So everybody is quitting. I am so how y'all been doing?
Hey.
You can't come into the picture because it's a solo.
Yeah, that's my
And
play
I hope you guys are hitting that like button and subscribe. So just want to make sure.
That was me though.
Were you saying like hi or
Hey, like hey, don't talk about my videos. Alright.
Are you recording?
I guess we'll watch one more, guys, I guess. Yeah, just take 2. Go get stuff from a jar. He's getting stuff. Try to record a video here.
What's up,
Before we start this, let's see if anybody comes.
family? I am back. I know I just posted a video like less than a minute ago. I just forgot to tell you.
I remember this.
So
Why didn't I just get an editor app like I have on my phone?
I watch it a lot. I've been watching it since I was 3. I'm sorry.
I think it was like almost. I think it was like I was a little bit older.
Oh yeah.
It was a little past my Hey, hold on. What did I just do? I think it was a little past
Anyway,
little past 5, 4 I mean, because I actually knew. What is wrong with this mouse? Why is it ringing?
You guys like me in this video?
Shut up!
so
Why do you like
yeah.
True. Has a true. But we'll do a Roblox video right after this. Maybe you can come and join in.
If I have any Wi-Fi.
Oh yeah, you're butt. Yeah, wait a second. There's a Wi-Fi.
Yeah, make sure, yeah.
Here, do me a favor. We'll be right back, guys. Go up. Now I know I said I'd just wait for him. I just wanted to tell you something. I recorded a Roblox video on my phone of obbies. Because that's kind of one of the only playable things in Roblox. The game's so laggy, like Hey. Whatever. But what? It's dangerous. Never play with scissors. It's dangerous. Snip, snip, snip. Just cut your finger off. No. I smell something. Whatever. What can you have? There's not. Here. Take it. Sacrificing it for the video. How much I care about you guys. Are you kidding me? Keyshawn, is it working?
Yeah, but it needs your phone to.
No, I'm saying it's like the internet working. It's not on. Dang it. Go turn the internet on. Alright, we'll be right back. sorry, I couldn't wait for him because he's taking way too long. So we're going back in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
And now, I'll see you later, my family.
What's your mouth?
Oh, wait.
Spit it out.
And if you want me to start doing some
Don't
games,
put that in your mouth.
let me know in the comments below. Okay?
No, hey. Alright, so that's the video. Hope you liked it. Like and subscribe. See you later. Bye.